Good day guys, this is Rob from Iceboxauto here. Sorry I haven't brought you a video lately, but the installs we've done last couple of weeks have been on cars that have already have videos on the YouTube channel. So this is a nice new one today, which is a Fiat 500. As you can see, this one comes with the beige frame on there. You can also get it in the black. This is our DTC 8779W model. Works with the steering wheel controls also got the radio stations on there, Android 12 now, which is nice. Comes with an 8-core processor, 432 gig of RAM. So this is the home page here, which I'm just going to show you today. As you can see, you can go into the settings here, but let me just go back 1 second. So you got the navigation here, which is basically show a map that the manufacturers will put on there free of charge, but obviously we don't advertise with it. We prefer to say you got Google Maps on here, which we can do anyway. Oh, sorry, 1 second. I couldn't see over my phone then, guys, so I'm pressing the wrong button. So I'm just going to have a little look around here. So I'm just going to quit that. I don't want you thinking the system was laggy, because it wasn't. I just couldn't see past my own phone in my hand there. So I'll just show you this, the video's function. So as you can see, this is the home page here. It's got Bluetooth, which is obviously to set up your phone there. Obviously that's a little testing one that the factory have done on the quality control check. This is the application center here. 1 second, big fat fingers. So as you can see, a lot of applications on here. If you're familiar with our YouTube channel anyway, we've got a couple of videos off of this series. So we're going to keep it short because obviously we're on time constraints, but obviously if you want to see a bit more in terms of what the system's got to offer, just give us a shout and we'll direct you to another video showing you a bit more on the menu system anyway. So I'll just bring it to an end today, and I'll see you soon. Thanks a lot.